Hi, Bruce from Safiery, and I'm going to start this video from the back of this truck, and you can see this huge cable here and winch, and this is a 24 volt hydraulic services truck. And now I come back, you can see the cage at the back here, and it's by Vac Truck Industries at the bottom there. Just a stunning bit of workmanship here on building the truck that you can see. And going in here is going to be a hydraulic motor is going in between those straps that are there. And the isolator that you see up there is 24 volt, and then it's driving down through here to the winch at the back here. Now the challenge with this job was to get massive amounts of power, and on this side here we've got 800 amp hours here, 12 volt equivalent. We've got a solar controller on the top, but it's the fusing in here that's quite complex that you can see here that we've done. And the trick on this job, the batteries had to be either side. We couldn't put all the batteries together, but what we did was we commoned up the loads. So the loads pull evenly from either side, and we have either side bridged across, and then we've got an isolator going to the common loads, which is that huge isolator that you see in the middle there. Now to get the power, we had to change the alternator. So this is the standard alternator in this truck, and you can see here it's a 90 amp hour, and we put on two 150 amp hour alternators doing 4 kilowatts each for a total of 8 kilowatts, and then that allowed this truck to run at 6 kilowatts. The motor in the back is at 5, and so we just walk around the front here around to this side, and this is where we got the controller. And we showed the other day the Scotty pulling up the top there was doing 6,400 watts. We got the inverter charger here for fast charging. And again, on this job, the attention to detail on the fusing and the crossover between both is really a bit of work of art on how we've done it. So that's all connected. Both of these are on a can. It's a floating master that we have there, and you can see the solar at the moment is doing about 260 watts. And we'll stop now and have a look at the alternator. So Cam's just lifted the cab up, and what was involved here, here's the twin alternator pack that you can see in here that we've got. And the challenge here on the twin alternator pack is all these brackets. Everything you see here has been done. So this idler pulley in here is new, this bracket's new, these brackets are new. Everything in here is new to get the double alternator sitting in here. So this is also an incredible work of art in getting the whole alternator pack inside there. And I've got to say, how good's that?